Come spend the day with me. Today I have a few errands to run, taking you along this journey. This has to be the most messiest day I've ever had so far. And obviously, I had to explain. I told her I'm at F&B, but she phoned me at Apps and she's like, what the hell's going on? Now I'm out here explaining. I bumped into Manar, guys. I haven't seen her since high school. I was so glad to see her. Tell me why am I bumping into so many people today? What? And the way town was so packed, we had no choice but to stand on the queue and buy some few snacks. As you can see, I didn't know what to say, so we passed by Pep to get a new phone, and when I tell you that the workers were not so nice, no ways. And then I met my girl, my favorite girl. You see, when we entered this shop, that's when my mood got lifted. I was so tired, so exhausted. And these guys, the people who work at Fresh Stop, they're so nice, they're so supportive, they're so friendly. Guys, they made my day. Anyways, thanks for watching my vlog.